Hey guys, it's your wife's favorite self-publisher here, Jacob Rothenberg, trying to find a gift for your wife as I think she deserves it for the holiday season from the book sales I'm about to make. But, I'll save this purchase off for just a bit. I want to go ahead and research some keywords, but I need inspiration. Hey Google, play the Val Venus theme.
Val Venus by Knightsbridge, sure. Playing on Google Play Music.
Hello, ladies.
Alright, here we go. Oh my. That's good. Oh my. Oh my. So filthy. Alright. Hey Google, stop. And just like that, we have a semi-profitable keyword that we can take a look at. So, not safe for work coloring books. Why this is being searched upon, other than having the Val Venus theme from the WWF play, giving inspiration, why not, as an idea, look for coloring books that adults can't find in, I'd say, mainstream stores, see if Amazon carries it, and how well it sells. Simple. So, this one doesn't look profitable, but there are some that are. So this one, I can quickly tell, sells every once in a while. It's a little bit old. But we have a few titles here that do sell well. So, this one sells very well. It's self-published. It's the Dirty Housewife coloring book. Not safe for work. Adult coloring book 40. Sexy, kinky, dirty talking quotes. What is this? Alright, so this kind of tells you that there is life for such a thing. Now, what's the difference here between this one and the totally naughty coloring book, which does do well? And it's, again, self-published author, 40-page coloring book. Low content genre, right? There's hardly any words. This is not a novel or even a graphic novel or even a graphic novel. But instead, it is what could be considered a low content book because we're just providing, or these authors are just providing, they're not going to show it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh, get out of there. But they just have images slapped together in their books and they sell relatively well. Now, is this a profitable keyword? Depends on your definition of profitable. Not all of these books here do well in terms of performance, at least right now in 2018. So some perform better than others, some perform longer than others, but it is profitable if you were just to slap maybe $60 worth of content you outsource, compile it into a book you publish, and have it out here. And over time, with not that many reviews, make money. So, is this a profitable keyword you could look into? Maybe. But hey, just giving you ideas, guys. Not safe for work coloring books. Until then, hey Google, play the Val Venus theme.
Alright, Val Venus by Knightsbridge. Playing on Google Play Music.
I am out. Later.